Hi, today I'm going to make Vinca flowers or Sadabahar flowers. Very easy to make and very pretty. Materials I'm using are crepe paper in dark green. This is of white cream color and pink purplish color. A thick wire, a thin wire, a white colored pencil, a pink colored pen and green floral tape. All measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for a petal. This is 2.5 centimeters high and 1.5 centimeters wide. And the base here is half a centimeter. Cut 5 pieces per flower. These are the stencils for the leaves. This is 3.5 by 2 centimeters, the small leaf. And the larger leaf is 6.5 by 2.5 centimeters. This is the stencil for the bud, which is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. For the bud, take a small piece of thin wire. So this is around 5 to 6 centimeters long. Take the piece for the bud, stretch it a bit, apply glue on it. And just wrap it around the one end of the wire, pulling down the sides. Like this. Cut a piece of the green floral tape. And wind it on the wire. So you have a bud like this. For the flower, again cut a piece of thin wire. So this is again the same size, almost 6 centimeters long. And I have cut a small strip of the cream colored paper. So just stretch it, apply glue on it, and I'll wind it on this wire. Now take a petal. First just curl the base and then from on the top just give one little twist. It becomes like this. Now just apply glue on the base. Take this wire and just stick it on the wire. So you can fold the edges a bit and then push down the petal. Put the second one at an angle to the first one. Like this. So I'll put the other 3 also. And this is how it will look. Now just take the pink pen and color around the center. And this is how it's going to look. For the leaf, take a piece of thin wire and I've covered it with the green floral tape. It should be just, if you keep it on the leaf, it should be just extending like this, about an inch from the leaf. So take the leaf and with the white pencil, just make the midrib. And the side veins. Like this. Now I'll just put some glue on the back and stick this on it. Like so. Now take a piece of the green floral tape, stretch it, take the thick wire, or you can even use the thin wire if you wish. So first I'm just going to put the flowers, leaving about an inch of the stem of the flower above it. And the two buds. And just put the leaves right below this bunch of flowers, leaving about a centimeter of the stem. And then I'll put these bigger leaves. So they're all fairly close to each other. Like this. So now I'll just open them out. They are almost at 90 degrees to the stem, the leaves. And this is how it's going to look.